In this video, I'm gonna show you if you open your YouTube app and you can't be able to see your navigation bar, so how you can fix this problem. So for that, first of all, you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. Then you have to long press on your YouTube application. And now you have to click on this app info option. Then you will have an interface like this, and over here you will find an option called storage and cache. So now you have to open this option, and now you will find an option called clear cache. So now you have to click on this clear cache and clear cache of your YouTube. Then you have to go back, and then you will find an option called force stop in the left. So now you have to click on force stop option, and now you have to force stop your YouTube application. And after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use. And then you have to click on search bar and search for YouTube. And now you have to see if there is any update available in your YouTube application. You have to update your YouTube application. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone. And now you have to long press on your power button of this device. And now you have to restart your device again. After that, whenever you open YouTube, now your problem will be solved. So that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.